Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check a new topic from vocabulary called virtues. First of all, you have to know what is the meaning of this word. It is the quality of practice of moral excellence, any admirable quality, feature, or trait. So let's start and please repeat after me each word. Beautiful. 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 Confidence. 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 Courage. 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 Friendliness. 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 Honesty. 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 Imagination. 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 Intelligence. 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 Leadership. 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 Neatness. 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 Patience. 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 Reliability. 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 Responsibility. 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 Now, guys, we are going to practice. Here you have to choose between two words. You have to tell me what of these is a virtue. Remember, we just saw the words. What do you think it is a virtue? Confident or confidence? Correct! Confidence is the virtue. Now we have courage or encourage. Which one is it? Great! Courage is a virtue. Now we have leadership or leader, which is a virtue. Great! Leadership. Excellent, guys. Now we have honest or honesty. What do you think is a virtue? Great! Honesty is the virtue. Now we have responsibility or responsible. What do you think is the answer? The correct answer, a virtue, because it can be an adjective, but not exactly a virtue. Okay? Great! Responsibility is a virtue. Excellent, guys. I'm proud of you. You have been working really, really good. So, if you have any doubt, with pleasure, I will answer it, guys. Repeat the video as many times as necessary for you to practice and for a better understanding. Remember to write the full date and make the letter readable. Remember, guys, capital letters and punctuation is with red color. We need order and cleanliness in your activities. See you, guys.